This evening we're tasting some products from Wild and Game. This is very sustainable meat, and we've got the sausages and the burgers here.
These are wild boar and grouse sausages here.
Wow.
And over here we have venison and pheasant sausages.
And
some
then
burgers.
Those are the game burgers.
Game burgers, and this is a partridge.
Partridge fillets, yeah.
Partridge fillets.
Wow.
So what a feast.
Well, we better get tasting. Okay, what do you think of those sausages, Lorna?
They're really good. I really like the boar one.
The boar one?
Yeah.
With grouse?
Mhm.
It's got grouse in it.
Yeah.
And what about the burger?
It's quite rich, but it's nice. Burger's really yummy as well.
So that's a mixed game burger. So probably a bit of pheasant and venison in that. Highly sustainable. What do you reckon, Simon?
Well, I think it's wonderful that we're eating game birds.
Yeah.
We should do more of it.
What do you reckon, Baggy?
That venison and pheasant is beautiful. Have it again, any day.
Great stuff.